Hello everybody, this is Fehmi the Heather and you are watching Fehmi's Art Channel. So come stimulate your creativity, and in this video we are going to see how you can convert the ceramic plates into beautiful art pieces with simple tips and tricks from Fehmi's. But guys, before we proceed further, please do subscribe my channel Fehmi's Art, like, share and click the bell icon below for regular updates from Fehmi's Art. See, these are such simple tricks how to create impressions on the plates using the M seal. Isn't it easy? Friends, stay till the end and look how the ceramic plate gets converted into the beautiful art piece.